Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different carbonyls are given. A is aldehyde, B is ketone, C is acid chloride. You should find the reactivity difference with Grignard reagent. To answer the question, you should know the fundamental. CH3MgBr is mostly undergo nucleophilic addition with carbonyl compounds. The Grignard reagent produces CH3 minus to add to the carbonyl. So more the positive charge on the carbonyl, faster will be the reaction. Here three categories. By looking at the substituent, you might realize which one is more electronegative, which one is electron donating. Chlorine is electron withdrawing group. So what really happened? It withdraws, increase the positive charge. So it will be the higher possibility. The real question is about A or B is reactive. A is reactive because it has only one methyl group. It donates the electron, decrease the positive charge. When compared to B, A is very reactive. B is less reactive because two methyl group reduce the positive charge, make it weaker. So the reactivity order will be C, A and B. The concept you have to learn here is the kinetics of nucleophilic addition determined by the positive charge on the carbonyl. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.